Unlike time, the truth is not relative, although it does come in shades of gray. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some of the truth that I've found in my life. Recently, a friend of mine was ill and needed some alternative treatment. And after doing some research, I came to find that cannabis can be very beneficial for different things. And so, amazingly, I had not known about this before, but it has been around for quite a while, many thousands of years, as a matter of fact. And cannabis can kill cancer. It's anti-tumoral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It will kill MRSA. It is the super antibiotic. It will save us from what antibiotics have created in superbugs one day. The endocannabinoid system is a system in our bodies that was discovered because of cannabis in the late 80s. And endocannabinoids are produced in our body, and there are receptors for them. And the receptors get these endocannabinoids as signals and are told to do different tasks. So cannabis has over 100 different cannabinoids in it, and the number one being THC can kill cancer. CBD, cannabidiol, the number two cannabinoid found in cannabis, is known to fight breast cancer and can do many, many other things, including regulating our immune system. So this is just some of the truth that I've found by researching on the internet and talking to doctors personally, talking to patients personally. I wanted to know for sure, and I've satisfied my curiosity, and I know for sure what this plant can do. I know for sure that it is a human right, that it's our plant, and we are supposed to have it. We don't have it right now. We're getting it back in a lot of different ways in a lot of different places. Arizona, I think, just voted down Proposition 205 so that we could grow it ourselves. So because we can't grow it ourselves, it is very expensive. And so we have to pay, $10 to $20 a gram for something that should cost $10 to $20 a bundle. It's a farming crop. It's not expensive to grow. At least not as expensive as what they're charging right now. So because of that, it's out of the reach of some people, but other than that, the stigma that's been associated with it, because the pharmaceutical companies, want to make money off of your illnesses, having a plant you could grow in your backyard that could, fix most of those illnesses would not be in their benefit. So they've been in cahoots with the government since the 30s to institute the prohibition on cannabis, and it has gotten us to where we are today. So in learning all of this, I could not keep quiet about it. I wanted to tell as many people as I could. That's why I'm talking to you today. And I created a nonprofit with my friend Brian Wilborn. We started something called Medicine for the People, and it is a nonprofit advocacy group for cannabis. We talk to people who need something that Western medicine isn't providing, or just people that want an alternative to pharmaceuticals. And we don't provide medicine, we just provide information about how you can make your own medicine, how you can acquire it in Arizona, which unfortunately right now requires that you register with the government and pay designer drug prices from a dispensary. But a lot of people are just, it's very foreign to them. They've been told their whole lives that it's a drug and that you're a drug user if you do that. And so a lot of people die instead of trying this alternative treatment. That's how strong the stigma is. So we feel people are dying and suffering needlessly because they don't have information, which is crazy to us. So we started this nonprofit. We are a 501c3, and we are asking for a little bit of startup money just so we can have a bigger voice. So we're trying to raise money for a website, for business cards, a logo, all that kind of good stuff, just so we can have a presence on Facebook and the internet. And we're asking for your help. If you believe in that cause, in spreading the word about cannabis, please help us. $5, $10 donation goes a long way. To me, I've used cannabis my whole life, and I've always felt like I should be hiding in the closet with it and that I should be ashamed. And to find out that, it's exactly the opposite, that it's better for you than alcohol and cigarettes. It's better for you than any other drugs that are out there as far as recreational goes. But more than that, it's a medicine. It's made for our bodies. Our bodies have a system dedicated to the cannabinoids that exist in that plant. So how could it be bad? And so if you feel that way, if you feel like you've been ostracized and made to feel that you are a criminal because of your use of cannabis, I'm with you, and I'm asking for your help. If you could help us to become a bigger voice for advocacy of this plant for medicine for the people. Thanks.